Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Happy Monday. Today we're going to look at Chainlink. Monday, Chainlink. Friday, Chainlink. Every day, Chainlink. Almost. But today we're making some big moves, right? We're finally getting it together here. We got our car keys. We're showing up to the race. When can the real race begin and the rocket ships lift off? I'm glad you asked. It's the yellow line. We've talked about it countless times in previous videos. Just shy of $35. We need to not only break this, which we tried to back in September with our wick up here, but we need to break it and then hold it as support. Once we do that, then the real show can begin, in my opinion. So look at all the times that we've interacted with this line. The yellow circles here, right? So we have two things. This is going to be significant because we have multiple touch points. One, we also have two indicators saying that this level is going to be big. One is all the touch points too, right? Our previous local top, right? Resistance here, finally broke out of it, come back, flipped it as resistance. Hopefully not resistance. Hopefully we can break through this time. We've got some good momentum. I like our odds. However, this will be significant because it's also at the top of this Gaussian channel on the 5-day chart, which you know if you follow us at all. That is a big level. Once you can break that and hold the top of the Gaussian channel, which is also this level of resistance, then you have the power to get it moving. Let's go take a little bit deeper dive into this. I don't know where the accent comes from. We have Link on the daily chart now. We're at the 21-day EMA. We're showing strength with our price action now above it. If we come back down, we want to hold that to maintain that strength. Ideally, this is the ideal scenario that I'd like to see from Link for the most healthy, potential fireworks that we want to see, right? So let's take our little crayon here. See this level, right? 35 that we just spoke of, right? Let's draw a pretend fake line here. And you can see this kind of formation here, right? We want to maintain that. So we want to see price action kind of maybe do this. And we don't necessarily have to break out of the first time, although that would be nice. But we have kind of a couple scenarios. This is my ideal scenario. All right. I'd like to hit this and then either come back down a little bit, right? And then kind of do our price action here, continue making higher lows and higher highs. And then once we break that, then you want to, have a nice explosive move to the upside. Maybe we come up to like, high 30s or 40, back test this kind of lid line here, right at that 35, hold it as support. And then once you see lift off again, that's when you'll get your massive move like these. The Chainlink likes to do these kind of moves after it's safe and sound. The rest of the crypto markets have calmed down a little bit. This is when Link will start to explode. I don't know if it's going to be this timeline, mid-November. I don't know if it's going to do this exactly, right? But this would be kind of my ideal scenario. We could obviously, melt right through this, and then you can still backtest what the ideal position is after we break out of this lid line, which will be pretty nice resistance, I think. We might test it, a couple times before breaking out of it. So either way, the move that you want to see is a bust the move out of it, and then a support hold when we back test it, and then that's when you'll get your move in the not so distant future. If you want to see a perfect example of this, go look at Harmony 1. It's doing it right now. So that's exactly what we want to see. Link, copy 1. All right. That is ideal for Link on the daily. Just my opinion on what I'd like to see ideally. Link, I still think is going to be well over $100 this next move up. If not closer to 200, would not surprise me at all. I think Link can do it. It's just, tends to lag behind the rest of the market, which it's done pretty much its whole life. But basically, it's just trended up. If you don't believe me on that, just put it on the monthly chart. Which direction is that price going? Okay, you don't even have to know what coin that is. That's pretty nice price action. Okay, all right. So that is Link. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're still agreed, 72. That's okay, right? We just want to maintain in our channel. Our high is 84, our low is 70. As long as we're within that range, we're probably just able to continue the gentle momentum up. If we break outside of that range, we're likely going to either pick up to the top side or have a temporary pullback to the bottom side if we break 70. Okay. Let's car of the day. Any guesses? Obviously, it's Ferrari. See the damn badge. Don't cheating. Ferrari SP1 Monza. Why is it called the SP1? Because there's one seat. You guessed it. Maybe if you had one of these and you became rich off Harmony One, you could put one and nobody would even know. Things that go through my mind real quick. Yeah, look at that rear end. It's pretty nice. Look at the taillights. I mean, that's pretty cool integration. Just so happen to have the model. Surprising. Look how tiny the door is. It's the world's smallest door. It does go up, but I mean, it's like, I feel like it's almost fake. Like, what's the point? You could just probably step out without a door. All right. Quote of the day by Mr. Gandhi. All right. That's Chainlink. Happy Monday. We'll do some more today. Get your requests in. No, just kidding. Not this week. I still have plenty to go. I still have my list I'm working on from last week. I did a bunch last week. We're going to keep doing that. It seemed like the shorter videos were well received for the most part. We're going to keep doing that. If you want to learn more than what I show my YouTube videos, follow me on Patreon. You get access to our private Telegram, which I post in there daily, and many different charts and little short snippet videos of all kinds of coins. Trends, all that stuff. If you want to know how I'm navigating the market, that's the place to do it. We also have a free Telegram, which I try to be active in there occasionally, as much as I can. I post our videos early in there a little bit, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you on the next video. Happy Monday. Hope you're rock starring it.